How to find Snapchat friends near me. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Tap on your profile that is on the top left corner. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and there you will see Snap Map. Just want to go ahead and tap on it and tap on yourself. You have to make sure that ghost mode is turned off. Now you can look around the people around you, and you can also go through the stories of people who are near you. Just go around and tap on the map. As here you can see, there are different stories of people in that place. Again, you can tap on another place on the map and you'll be able to see the stories of people on that particular place. And that is how you'll be able to find Snapchat friends near you. You can go ahead and add them as your friend as well. And that is how you do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.